Hello students, we are doing chapter number 3 expansion exercise 3.2. In previous video we have done till question number 10. Today we are starting from question number 11. If x plus y is equal to 8 and xy is equal to 3 whole number 3 by 4, find the value of x minus y. So in this question x plus y value is given, so we will start from this only. X plus y whole square is equal to 8 square. We have to use here formula a plus b whole square, which is equal to x square plus y square plus 2xy equal to 64. Now xy value is given in question 3 whole number 3 by 4, which we can change into improper fraction 4 3 12 plus 3 15 by 4. So 2 into 15 by 4 equal to 64. We can cancel out here 2 times. So we have x square plus y square and 15 by 2 is 7.5. You can keep in fraction or you can change into decimal. So x square y square is equal to 64 minus 7.5. This 7.5 here it is in addition, and when we will shift another side it will go for subtraction. So we will get here value x square plus y square equal to 56.5. Now with the help of this value we will find out x minus y. So we can use x minus y whole square formula, which is equal to x square plus y square minus 2xy. This value just now we have calculated 56.5 minus 2xy value is given 15 by 4. Cancel out 56.5 minus 7.5, which is equal to 49. So x minus y whole square is equal to 49. Therefore x minus y equal to root of 49, which is equal to plus and minus 7. Now second part, we have to find out 3x square plus y square. So already this value we have calculated, just we have to multiply with 3. So 3 into 56.5. After multiplication we will get 169.5. Third part, we have to find out 5 x square plus y square plus 4x minus y. So x minus y we have two values, plus 7 and minus 7. So first we will keep plus 7. 5, this value is 56.5 plus 4 into 7. After multiplication we will get 282.5 plus 28 equal to 310 and 0.5. This is when x minus y we have taken equal to 7. Second case, when we will take x minus y equal to minus 7. In that case 5, this value is 56.5 plus 4 into minus 7. So 282.5 minus 28. After subtraction we will get 254.5. Next question number 12. If x square plus y square equal to 34 and xy is equal to 10 whole number 1 by 2, find the value of 2x plus y whole square plus x minus y whole square. So first we will expand these two formulas. X plus y whole square is x square plus y square plus 2xy, and x minus y whole square is x square plus y square minus 2xy. Now this first one we have to multiply with 2, so it will become 2x square plus 2y square plus 4xy plus y x square plus y square minus 2xy. Now like terms we can simplify. 2x square plus 1x square 3x square, 2y square plus y square 3y square, 4xy minus 2xy plus 2xy. From these two, 3 we can take out common, then it will be x square plus y square plus 2xy. Now we can substitute the values. X square plus y square is given 34. So 3 into 34 plus 2 into xy value is given 10 whole number 1 by 2, which is 10 to the 20 plus 1 21 by 2. So this 2 will cancel out. 3 into 34 is 102 plus 21 equal to 123. Next question number 13. If a minus b is equal to 3 and ab is equal to 4, find the value of a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube formula is a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. So we have a minus b, ab also, but we don't have a square plus b square value. So first we will find out this value and then we will substitute in this formula. So to find out this value, we will start with this given value a minus b is equal to 3. We will do the squaring both sides. This side we will get a square plus b square minus 2ab equal to 9. Now ab value we can substitute here. A square plus b square minus 2 into 4 equal to 9. So a square plus b square minus 8 is equal to 9. 8 we can shift here and it will go for addition. 9 plus 8. So we got value a square plus b square equal to 17. Now this value we will substitute here in this formula. So a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b, a square plus b square plus ab. A minus b value is 3, a square plus b square is 17, ab is 4. So 3 into 17 plus 4 is 21, 3 into 21 is equal to 63. Next question number 14. If 2a minus 3b is equal to 3 and ab is equal to 2, find the value of 8a cube minus 27b cube. We will use here formula x cube minus y cube is equal to x minus y whole cube plus 3xy into x minus y. So in place of x here we have 2a, in place of y we have 3b. First we will reduce this one into the formula form. Now we can apply formula. So this will be equal to 2a minus 3b whole cube plus 3 into 2a into 3b into 2a minus 3b. Now we can substitute values. This is equal to 3. So 3 cube, 3 into 2 6, 6 into 3 18 ab, and here this is also 3. 3 cube is 27 plus 18, ab value is given 2 into 3. So 2 into 3 6 and 6 into 18 is 108. So 27 plus 108 is equal to 135. Next question number 15. If x plus 1 by x is equal to 4, find the value of x square plus 1 by x square. So we will start from the given value. X plus 1 by x is equal to 4 is given. So we will do squaring both the side, and this we will expand with the help of a minus b whole square formula. This is equal to x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 into x into 1 by x equal to 16. So here this x to x will cancel out and we will get x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 is equal to 16. So this 2 we can shift another side. X square plus 1 by x square equal to 16 minus 2 equal to 14. Second part, we have to find out the value of x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4. So we will start from here. We will do the squaring for this equation both the side. So x square plus 1 by x square equal to 14. We will do squaring both the side. and we will get here x to the power 4 1 by x to the power 4 plus 2 into x square into 1 by x square equal to 196. Again this thing will cancel out, only 2 will be left over, and this 2 when we will shift another side it will go for subtraction. So 196 minus 2 we will get 194. Third, we have to find out x cube plus 1 by x cube. Here we can use formula a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab a plus b. This formula we can use here. So in place of a we have x, in place of b we have 1 by x. So we will apply formula. This will be equal to x plus 1 by x whole cube minus 3x into 1 by x into x plus 1 by x. Now substitute the values. This value is given 4. So 4 cube minus this here x to x will eliminate, 3 into 4. 4 cube is 64 minus 12 is equal to 52. Next, fourth part, we have to find out x minus 1 by x. So we will do the squaring of this. We will use formula. This is equal to x square plus 1 by x square minus 2 into x into 1 by x. This thing will cancel out. This value we have calculated in the first part, we can substitute here. This is equal to 14 minus 2. So we got here 12. X minus 1 by x square is 12. So x minus 1 by x will be root of 12. Root of 12 we can write 12 as 3 into 2 into 2. So 2 will come out, it will be plus minus 2 root 3. Next, question number 16. If x minus 1 by x is equal to 5, find the value of x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4. So we will start from the given value. X minus 1 by x is equal to 5 is given. We will do squaring both the side. Then this side we will expand it with the formula a minus b whole square. So it will be x square plus 1 by x square minus 2 into x into 1 by x, and right side 5 square will be 25. Here x to x we can cancel out, and this minus 2 when we will shift another side it will go for addition. So it will become 25 plus 2 equal to 27. Now again we will do the squaring both the side. This side we will get x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 plus 2 into x square into 1 by x square, and 27 square is 729. Again this x square and this x square will cancel out, only plus 2 will be remaining. This plus 2 when we will shift another side it will go for subtraction, and it will become 729 minus 2. So x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 is equal to 727. Question number 17. If x minus 1 by x is equal to root 5, find the value of x square plus 1 by x square. So first we will do the squaring both the side of the given value. Here we will get x square plus 1 by x square minus 2 into x into 1 by x is equal to 5. Root 5 square will be 5. Here x to x will cancel out, and this minus 2 we can shift another side. It will become plus 2. So the value of x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 7. Second part, we have to find out x plus 1 by x value. So we will use its formula. This is equal to x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 into x into 1 by x. x to x we can cancel out and this value we can substitute from here. This is equal to 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. So we have x plus 1 by x whole square is equal to 9. So the value of x plus 1 by x will be root of 9, which is equal to plus minus 3. Third part we have to find out x cube plus 1 by x cube. Here we can use the same formula which we have used in earlier questions. This is equal to x plus 1 by x whole cube minus 3x into 1 by x into x plus 1 by x. So we will keep this value 2 times, first plus 3 and then minus 3. So when x is equal to plus 3, in that case 3 cube minus 3, this thing will cancel out, into 3. So 3 cube is 27 minus 9, this is equal to 18. Second case we will keep this value minus 3 when x is equal to minus 3. Then minus 3 whole cube minus 3 into minus 3. This we will get minus 27 and this will become plus 9. So here we will get minus 18. So in this video we will do till here. Remaining questions we will continue in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.